Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Ears and Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool mirror here, and basically what this is a portable massage gun. So here is the model number for this massage gun, and here is basically what the product looks like. If you see it on the bottom, they provide guys some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mention how the product gives you guys a 12 to 24 hour work time depending on what mode you guys use. If you guys do use it in the lowest setting, then you probably get close to that hour that I mentioned on here. They also mention how the product is pretty quiet. It can average around 25 to 55 dB. We'll test that out in a second. They mention how the product has a high power brushless motor and it has a touchscreen option. If you guys take a look on the side, they provide guys all the different massage heads that provided for you guys. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, that's what it actually looks like inside. So they do provide you guys a case inside. Let's take it out. So once you guys take out the case, here is basically what the product looks like. Let's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open the inside, here's what it actually looks like inside. So first thing inside, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Next up right here, they provide guys a bunch of these replacement accessories if you guys ever need to use it. And then right here, they provide guys a cable that you can use to recharge the product. And right here, they provide guys a little bag to store all the different massage heads. So let's take all of it out. So here is the first one. Here is number 2. Here is number 3. Here is number 4. Here is number 5. Here is number 6. Here is number 7. And here is number 8, which is the last one. And that is everything that's in the bag. Last but not least, we do have the actual massage gun. And that is everything that's included inside. So let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in front right here is where you guys can put in the massage head. Top part right here, I believe, is the ventilation option. Right here on the bottom, we do have the very nice grip for you guys to grip it. And when you guys see the material that's on here, it does have like this non-slip material. So that way when you guys do grip it, it won't fall off as easy. And then right here on the back, they do provide you guys the display screen. So don't take off this part here. So you don't press on the button right here to activate it. But you guys want to turn it on in the bottom first. So you see in the bottom, this is what it actually looks like. So we do have a switch for you guys to turn it off and on. And this is where to plug in the cable to recharge it. So once you guys turn it on, this is what the display screen looks like. So it does show you guys the battery life on here and the different mode that it's using. So not only does it show you guys the battery percentage in the back, but if you can see on the side in the bottom right here, they also show you guys the battery percentage as well. And the way how you guys activate it is by pushing this button. And that will turn it on. If you guys press on these two buttons, that will increase it. So the maximum is level 12. And if you guys bring it down, the lowest is 1. And then once you guys are done using it, you guys can press right here. And that will turn it off. And when you guys turn it off right there, you also want to turn it off right here. And then once you guys do that, then you guys are done. So very easy and very simple to use it. But before I should test it out, let me plug in a cable to show you guys how to charge it. Alright, so that is basically how you guys charge the product. Now let's test out the DB on here to show you guys what it sounds like. So let's put on a random massage head. We'll use that one for now. If you guys turn it on, we'll turn on speed level 1 first. And right here I do have my DB tester. So here is speed level 1. So it averaged around like 41 dB. So it's not 25 dB like I mentioned, but we're bring it all the way up. Now we have it in speed level 12. So when we have it in speed level 12, it averaged around like 52 dB. So you can see from the test, it averaged anywhere from 41 dB to 52 dB from the lowest to highest setting. And that's not too loud. That's around the range of both massage guns. So that's a quick little dB test. Now let me actually test it out myself to see how it feels. So I'll try out speed level 1 first. Alright, so when we use on speed level 1, it does feel pretty good. It has a good amount of like percussion and massage on here that feels pretty nice. It doesn't feel weak at all when you guys use it on speed level 1, which is nice. Because most massage guns, when I do test it, it is pretty weak. But I'm actually increasing it halfway to level 6. Alright, speed level 6. Alright, so when we use it on speed level 6, it definitely feels a lot more powerful. It definitely has a lot more percussion on here and a lot more like vibration as well, which is pretty nice. But definitely feels a lot better than me using on level 1. Now let's try level 12. Alright, so when we use on level 12, this one's actually really powerful. I feel like if I use this after like a long workout, especially on my legs, it will feel really nice because it's actually really strong. So if it's your first time using the product and you guys are not used to it, you probably don't want to turn too high. you probably want to use it on lower speed level before you guys increase it really high. Because when you guys use it on low 12, it's actually really strong. It actually feels much stronger than a lot of other massage guns that I tested in the past. So that's a quick little test to show you guys how the product works. So you see when we actually use it on the high speed level, it is pretty strong. Definitely a lot stronger than a lot of other massage guns that I tested in the past, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable massage gun. That's everything that's included for this product. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.